Hello, I have some lovely treats for you today. So if you want to see what's going on, just keep watching. Hello, my crafty friends. This is Teresa from Fresh and Renewed with Teresa. I just want to let you know that Not Too Shabby is having a mini release today, one of her famous mini releases. And if you have been around for a while, you know that these mini releases sell out quickly. So first of all, we have the I Want It All bundle. So in the I Want It All bundle, you have a stamp set. It is called Christmas Calories. So you have this adorable little mug and whipped cream and cinnamon sticks. It could be hot chocolate, it could be coffee, whatever. A nice cupcake, and then a little gingerbread. You have the sentiment gingerbread kisses. Christmas calories don't count. You have a little heart with all kinds of little words and symbols on it and little icons. You have baking sweet memories. You have Mom's Bakery fresh baked cookies. And then you have Oh Snap. You have a heart, a piece of candy, a cookie, and a little tiny candy cane. So those are all the stamps. Jamie always packs the stamps just full of images. She uses every little space that she can when she creates these stamp sets. Fabulous. Then we have the Holiday Icons stencil. It is designed by Stacy Tiedemann, and on the stencil we have Christmas trees, gingerbread men, candy canes, stars, bows, all of those little things, and great stencil. And I want to let you know, in the I Want It All bundle, the only way to get the stencil and the stamp set, these two items, is to order the I Want It All bundle. That's the only way. So then we have the ephemera. I'll come back to that in just a second. And we have the paper pad called Gingerbread Visions. So let's look through this paper pad really quick. And we have a graphic with lots of gingerbread cookies and sweets on it. Then we have a pattern with red and blue and some faux glitter sprinkled around. Then we have a pink like swirl, half circles in a monotone, monochromatic, that's what the word I was looking for, print, and some splatter on it and some faux glitter. Then we have some sweets all over and some cups. A sheet with cookies all spread out on it. Then we have a nice plaid, a faux glitter piece of paper. And if you're familiar with our faux glitter pieces of paper, we have these all the time. But we've never had one like this. This one has stars all over it. Then we have a blue with a background on a striped background, a blue striped background. We have some blue cups, some gingerbread houses, gingerbread men, and some sweets. And then this one's all blue with your cups and your little candy canes and lollipops. Great. And then on the back of that one is a snowflake with lots of splatters. Then we have another geometric pattern with some faux glitter. And then another icon pattern. And then it starts to repeat. So great, great. And you get 4 sheets of each design in this paper pad. So let's look at the ephemera. So discounted price because you're getting a bundle price. All right, so in the add-on, you can get a 6x6 background stamp set with the little swirls and the gingerbread little girls and boys. So that's a great addition. And then you can also add on the die to the stamp set when you purchase the I Want It All bundle. There'll be a drop down menu to where you can say yes or no that you would like the die added. And then Not Too Shabby enamel dots. Aren't they fabulous? We have brand new enamel dots that go perfectly with this paper pad. So you have a kind of a pinky red, a blue, a brown, a pink, a white, and a green, all to go with this paper pad. So those are all the products for the Gingerbread Visions mini release. So I will have some cards for you in just a snap, and you can I'll share all my cards with you, and all of the links will be in the description box down below. If you want some other information, you can watch Jamie's video and see what she has to share with you. And I will be back in just a few minutes. I am back and going to show you my cards. I ended up with 3 cards. I thought I was going to make 4, but I kind of combined 2 things, and I'll show you that when I get to the cards. I have decided to go back through, not necessarily in exact order, but to go back through and revisit some of Alicia's Call Me Crafty Owl. If you're familiar with my channel and my videos, you know I love a sheet load. So I am going back through and revisiting older sheet loads. So I have chosen the sheet load of cards from January 2020. And I use the dimensions to just do one card. It gives the dimensions for the individual pieces. And so let me show you what I have done. Okay, so the very first card, I colored the image, and I decided I wanted a pink mug, and I colored those up with my Copic markers. And then I used the background stencil. No, not the background stencil. The background stamp. And I stamped it on some red cardstock with, and heat embossed it in white. And then I used vintage photo and gathered twigs and ink blended in it to darken up the edges and leave a bright spot in the middle. And I use a Sentiment Gingerbread Kisses down at the bottom and put my 3 white enamel dots right there. I've used the white sparkly ones. And then I put a little flag banner strip on the inside. So that is card number 1. Card number 2 is, oh, and I forgot to tell you, I'll tell you on this one because I did the same on all of them. I used, instead of using this little piece in the sketch, instead of using that piece of another piece of cardstock, I used a border die. I used a Love from Lizzie strip between my two pieces of pattern paper here. So and I did alter the sketch because a little bit, because this piece was on the sketch goes the other way. And so I felt it fit everything that I had better going that way. So I used the ephemera and I sparkled it up with some Stardust stickles. And then for this one, I use Mom's Bakery fresh baked cookies, because that's a gingerbread cookie and a star cookie. And then we had some candies there too. And I used the brown enamel dots on this one. And on the inside, I used 2 little flag banners. So that's card number 2. Card number 3, I used the stencil and some shader brushes to stencil the strip down here at the bottom. Again, used my Love from Lizzie strip, another piece of the pattern paper up here. And I used the light pink enamel dots because of the pink heart right here. And then I used the Baking Sweet Memories sentiment, and I backed all the sentiments with a shadow. I cut them out of, cut the die out with just some cardstock. And I chose this sentiment to go with this one because it had all these little baking ingredients on the heart. So, and then I just put 1 flag banner on the inside. So there we have all 3 cards. So I hope that you enjoyed my cards, and I hope that you will definitely visit the Not Too Shabby shop. All of all of the links will be in the description box down below for all of the products. And any other products that I used, I will link down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.